Thank you, my friend. You're awesome.
Where it came from?
What's inside that thing there?
We're gonna go see. Hey.
Life is so crazy.
Boy. Hang on.
Right there,
Yeah, on
Dad.
the side.
Was there more on the sides? Oh, yeah. Mr. Tom built a heck of a box.
Like this big.
Like he knows how the post office works.
One more, Dad.
The
Time to
post
open
office
it.
needs like Mr. Tom.
What?
Whoa.
Did you need this?
No, Mr. Tom hand carved all that.
Whoa.
Knights of Columbus. That's awesome.
Hey,
Amazing.
That is so
Like-
pretty.
this goes. This goes
Go to the
forever,
side.
Dad.
It goes to the side. I can.
Dad, this no.
Beautiful.
How do you put
Even here.
bubble wrap in there?
I don't know how I'm gonna get
Like
this
a
out of here.
stamp.
It smells so good.
I don't know how I'm gonna get this out of here.
Describe how it smells like, Mom.
Pull it up. Oh, you can lift it up.
No, there's not enough room to
Oh,
grab
you
my.
need to remove the box then. Flip.
Oh no. This is gonna be
Oh,
loud,
my.
Dad.
Daddy gonna slide it.
Is that a chest?
Your beautiful
Inside of the
chest.
box.
Mm.
Time to open it.
Come on.
What's inside it?
Stuff.
T-E-W, Ted. Theodore, Earl.
Nice.
Tew. Your nickname should be Tew.
Hammer.
A Miller's Falls hammer.
Wow.
Conking you in the noggin.
Please.
Ew.
Daddy doesn't need your help, okay?
Automatic drill. Miller's Falls 100.
What?
That's Buck Rogers.
Buck Rogers.
The box is amazing.
Inside. Your doctor's appointment.
Yep. Some finish. From the store near Tom. What do we got here in a second? What else down here?
Smells so good.
Ah, this is the original frog. This is what he rebuilt. I'll show it to you in a second. But this is the original one.
You have a love letter too. from the land of ice.
Hello and
snow.
greetings from the land of ice and snow. I hope the box is undamaged and the plane was worth the wait. It's funny how some things get done so fast here and others get half done and sit. I know that feeling. As you can see, the new toe screw, new everything on the Frog seemed to work well on some very soft cedar. Just need Porter to make a damn shooting board. Aluminum pieces to remove the screw from the back of the Frog. Squeeze it with pliers or vice grips, and away you go. Made 2 when I was working on the Frog. September is local tool club meeting if that fits into your travel plans. Possibility of having Porter come here. He is thinking about having a board / shareholders meeting up here. Only $175 for a room where the tool club meets. Time will tell. Oh, more in the back. Looking forward to your visit this year. Oh, another thing would be if you're here first Sunday of the month, that's the big flea market. Thanks for keeping not only our great nation, but our protectors safe. Oh yeah, one night to another, Tom. And what's in here?
Happy Father's Day.
Ted, thanks so much for the gifts. Merry Christmas to you and your family. Happy New Year's. Tom, Marty, Tony, Ted, thanks very much for your gifts. This is from Christmas. That must be the thing he was talking about. So this box is patterned after the one that Lee Nielsen ships their shooting plane in.
Excuse me, Dad.
What, bud?
Can you search something on
No,
Amazon?
not right now. I'm in. So this piece, you can see that was where it was repaired before, and not very well. It's kind of a garbage piece. It goes in here, kind of like that. Tom milled out a brand new one
Oh.
and redid the brass on it, the whole 9 yards, everything in his shop. Look at that sucker. Flat, sturdy, a lot thicker than this thing. New screws,
Yes.
the whole 9 yards. Tom is awesome. Pretty good job. Made a new, I think he made new.
I'm so amazed with this
Yeah, it's
stuff.
awesome, isn't it?
Yeah. You get the machine for this carving? Or?
That's all done by hand.
Uy.
That's hand carved.
Oh. Okay.
He should. Thank you, my friend. You're awesome.
This is hand
And done.
carved. Knights of Columbus. Even here, it goes like a stamp.
That's for the baggage, yeah.
Okay. It's awesome.
Dovetailed the sides. Look at that.
Wow.
It's all hand cut. He doesn't even use any marking gauge. He just does it.
Really?
Yeah.
He's very expert at this stuff.
Oh yeah, very talented.